Starting next Tuesday and on the next 10 Tuesdays, I will be giving tutorial videos on an application that I have not given tutorials about yet. And that application is Boxy SVG. Boxy SVG is a vector drawing application that you can use either online or on your desktop device for Mac or Windows. It is very feature-rich in a minimalistic and user-friendly interface. Let's check it out! It features more than what is visible. At a first quick glance, you may see very minimalistic tools and probably assume that there is no gradient tool, eraser tool, round corner tool, artboard tool, knife tool, slice tool, lasso tool, but they are indeed all in here. There are also other unique features that are not in the more well-known vector applications, such as a vector pattern feature, animation tools, an image trace, a quadric Bezier tool, an infinite zoom, and you can modify different generator results with the edit tool. Lastly, there are specific user preferences such as setting a default style for a newly drawn object and customizing key commands. The web application costs $10 annually. The Windows Microsoft Store version costs $10 as a one-time purchase, and the Mac App Store version costs $20 for a one-time purchase. There is also a free online demo version that is good for 15 days. I decided that Boxy SVG is an application that I will be using more frequently, since it is really growing on me, and I think it's a shame that it is not commonly as known as others like Affinity and Amidine, which is why I will be making new videos on it. So there are 20 videos that I have total that I will be sharing for the next 10 Tuesdays, 2 videos on each Tuesday. I look forward to seeing what you think. Feel free to share your opinions, and I will see you next week.